Hello, what's up guys? How are you? I hope so you are fine. In the previous video I will show you how to trade on the Binance. Now this video is about Bybit wallet. Because Binance and Bybit are similar, I have all of these exchanges: Pi, MEXC, Bingax. I will learn you how to trade on every single platform: Qcoin, Bitcat, Bybit, Binance, MEXC, Bingax, OKX, all the platform. So subscribe my channel for great informative videos, and like, comment, share compulsory to enjoy my videos. So I will start my videos without any delay. Open Bybit wallet, go to home. I because of security reason I don't show your my wallet size. So there are three options in the lower corner: assets, trade, this is spot trading, this is future trade, this is market, sport. If this is my favorite sports, all of this. So I start from home. If I want to deposit in Bybit, then this is very easy. Click on deposit, P2P trading, and then we can deposit. Or if we want, after depositing, we if we love sport trading, because future trade is haram, so we go to sport, click on trade, and then choose a coin which more fluctuations, like XRP. See, there are three lines. This is if the candle, last candle, is above from middle line, then this is short position. But I one day note, I select 15 minute. See, there is no entry. So because I see you, there is no entry because this is in middle, so I don't predict that it goes up or down. So I select another MNT. I think this is good coin. This is good coin for entry. If we take entry, if we take entry if we take entry there, then we make a good profit. Wow, this is more up. Inshallah soon this is come there, and we gain more and more profit. This is how technical analysis and my analysis work. There is RSI is indicator, best indicator. If RSI below 70, then we buy. If RSI above 70, then we sell. Then we not sell, then we not buy. There is, see, buy percentage 56 and sell percentage is 44 percentage almost. This is the sport. This is how can sport trading work. Okay, you, I think you understand very easily. Now we go to derivatives, means future trade. First of all, we select any for means Bitcoin. If I have high volume of portfolio, then I select long. Then I select how much BTC I want to buy. Isolate it. Isolated means that only which I invest in this trade, only this is circulating. If I select close, all my portfolio are under in this trade, and it will become a big loss. So I select isolate it, confirm, and I think 10x is enough. Not big leverage, not small leverage. 10x is enough. So if I want to buy at market limit price, then I select limit, and I think Bitcoin goes to $54,000, means downward. Then I, how much BTC portfolio I BTC I want to buy, I select 50% and then buy. This is limit order. When the price reaches 50, automatically buy. And if we want to close this order, then we select limit. I think Bitcoin goes to $60,000. I select there $60,000. Then 100%. If I want to sell 100%, then I select 100%. This is not select. Okay, then I select 100% and close long. You, I think you understand this my point. Okay, next what I do. This is market. We see the market, which coin is fluctuating and whatever. Or okay, we go to home. these are the new coins who launched on bybit, because these are the best opportunities, because when this coin launch, many people invest in these coins, and this coin goes upward and create a big one, then goes downward after 15 to 20 minutes after launching. So this video is, and hope you enjoy this video. Comment, like, share and subscribe this video for great information. Okay, we will meet in next video. Good care. Bye bye. Tata.